Hi friends, welcome to Chandu's World. Essay on Importance of Yoga in Modern Life. The word yoga is derived from Sanskrit, which means to join or to unite. Yoga is not only an ancient form of exercise, but also it is a part of ancient India lifestyle. It is related to mental and physical fitness of the body, as well as it prevents from of various forms of diseases and inabilities. The importance of yoga in modern life is abundant. Modern lifestyles are easing the life of today's man. People in urban areas are busy with work schedules to fulfill what life demands survival. The modern man is living in a competitive environment due to technological progress. In the current lifestyles, especially in urban industrial society, the work style, eating habits, and family life structure is completely changed. This lifestyle brought stress to the individuals, which leads to different types of diseases. Therefore, practicing yoga is significant in controlling health problems resulted from modern lifestyle. Practicing yoga brings change in all walks of life. It is useful for creating physically and mentally healthy citizens. There is an interrelationship between the mind and the body. When the body is physically healthy, the mind is clearly focused and stress is under control. Hence, practicing yoga in the day to day life helps to maintain healthy relationships between the mind and body. The development and balance of the two is important for mental and physical emotional development in all aspects of our life. In yoga, the other important thing is the breathing exercise. Breathing exercise performed in yoga is a solution for stress and anxiety. It reduces the anxiety and stress we are faced. Yoga helps to live in harmony with our environment. It helps us to give recognition for ourselves, the natural environment we are living, and help us to peacefully interact with the society to which we belong. In maintaining the physical health, it is essential to balance our diet. The types of food we are eating has an effect on our body. Yoga teaches us an ethical principle. We have to selective of the food we eat and focus only on the healthy foods, and we have to avoid junk foods. In yoga, there are different ways of maintaining mental health. An important tool in self investigation and self knowledge is the technique of step by step self inquiry meditation. In this meditation practice, we come into contact with our subconscious, the source of our desires, complexes, behavioral patterns. In general, yoga is significance of modern life in improving postures, increase the intake of oxygen, enhance the functioning of different systems of our body such as respiratory, digestive, endocrine and reproductive systems. Yoga is a tool of get rid of the deceptive curtain that positions in the middle of us and vibrant energy of life. Unlike the other physical exercises, yoga doesn't require running field or stadium. We can easily practice in small space, which is enough for yoga mat nearby our bed or any places in our home. Therefore, practicing yoga is significant in controlling all the problems resulted from modern life situations. Yoga asanas build strength, flexibility, and confidence. Regular practice of yoga can help us lose weight, relieve stress, improve immunity, and maintain a healthier lifestyle. International Day of Yoga is observed on 21st June every year to spread awareness about the importance and effects of yoga on the health of the people. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.